Dear friend, welcome to the video lecture series in antennas and wave propagation. In today's video lecture, we will be looking about antenna efficiency or radiation efficiency. Antenna efficiency or radiation efficiency is defined as the ratio of power radiated to the total input power supplied to the antenna and is denoted by eta or K. So antenna efficiency eta can be taken the ratio of power radiated to the total input power. So eta will be equal to WR by WT, which is equal to WR by WR plus WL. The summation of radiated power and the loss power leads to the total input power, where WR is the power radiated and WL is the ohmic power loss. Now representing the power radiated and the power loss in terms of RMS currents as WR equal to I square RMS multiplied by radiation resistance, and the power loss, that is WL, will be equal to I square RMS multiplied with the loss resistance. Therefore, eta will be equal to I square RMS multiplied with radiation resistance by I square RMS multiplied with radiation resistance plus I square RMS multiplied with loss resistance. Now in the numerator and denominator, we will be having the I square RMS term. So taking the term as common, so here I square RMS in the numerator and I square RMS in the denominator get cancelled, and we left over with eta equal to RR by RR plus RL. Now for better radiation characteristics, the loss resistance should be as small as possible in the efficiency expression. The loss resistance may consist of the following: ohmic loss in antenna conductor, dielectric loss, I square R loss in antenna and ground system, loss in earth connections, and leakage loss in insulation. And also we know that eta is the ratio of power radiated to the total power supplied to the antenna system. Now this ratio is multiplied and divided by 4 pi u of theta comma phi. So here we are doing this particular operation in order to get the relationship between the efficiency and power gain and the directive gain of the antenna system. Now this eta will be equal to, by separating these terms as WR by 4 pi u of theta comma phi and 4 pi u of theta comma phi by WT. So here WR by 4 pi u of theta comma phi is equal to the power gain, and 4 pi u of theta comma phi by omega WT is equal to 1 by GD. So eta will be equal to GP by GD, where GP is the power gain and GD is directive gain. So this is what the antenna efficiency related to the resistances as well as the gains of the system. So if you look at here, the efficiency is related to the radiation resistance and the loss resistance, and the efficiency of the antenna is also related to the power gain and directive gain. Now we will be looking at a numerical problem which was asked in the university examination. So here the problem says calculate the power gain GP of a half wave dipole whose ohmic loss and directive gain are 7 ohm and 1.64 respectively. Now going to the solution. Before working with the problem, let us write the given data first. So here the given data is written from the given problem. So the ohmic loss or the loss resistance is given, that is 7 ohm, and the directive gain is also mentioned, that is 1.64 for the half wave dipole. Now for the half wave dipole, the radiation resistance is given by 73 ohm. So we have to remember this. The radiation resistance of the half wave dipole is 73 ohm. Now what to be found we have to write. So to be found is the power gain as mentioned in the problem. Now we have to write the formulas to be used. If we look at the given data, we will be coming to a conclusion that what formulas has to be used. So here GD is given and GP has to be found out. We know that the GP, GD are related to the efficiency of the antenna. So we have to write that formula. So eta will be GP by GD. By looking at this particular equation, we can't get the solution. Why? Because this efficiency is not given in the problem and we need to find out. And if you look at the given data, so here the RL is mentioned and radiation resistance is also mentioned. Now we know that the efficiency is related to radiation resistance as well as the loss resistance as RR by RR plus RL. Now if we keep the values of RR and RL in this particular expression so that we can get the value for efficiency. Now the obtained efficiency value is kept to here so that the multiplication of efficiency and the directive gain will give the value for GP. Now we go to the calculation. So here we are finding out the efficiency first. So substituting the values of RR and RL, that is 73 and 7 in the expression, so that we will be getting that one as 0.9125. Now we need to find out what is GP. So we have obtained the value of efficiency and we have been provided with the value of GD. Substituting these two values in the particular expression, so we get GP equal to 0.925 multiplied with 1.64, which we get as 1.4965. So here the gain may be given with this 1.4965, and even we can also go further that we can represent the gain in dB. So to represent the value of gain in dB, we have to multiply or we have to take the 10 log base 10 of the value, that is 1.4965. Now we compute this, then we get 1.7507 dB. Now we have to finally write what could be the result. So here result, that is power gain in dB 1.7507, and without representing them in dB, the power gain is mentioned as 1.4965. Hope you understood the radiation efficiency or antenna efficiency and a numerical problem on the given formula. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more technical content. Thank you very much.